Optimate 4. 3 modes for the GS. Yes, it's arrived. Want me to show you how to put it on? It's easy. For the GS, dig out your CAN bus lead, which is that one. Plug it into the really cool waterproof connector. So if you're using it outside, it should be okay. Check with BMW dealer first though. So this is BMW proof, so they say. The Optimate 4 from Wonderlic. Now I don't know whether Wonderlic have bought out Optimate or other way around, but yeah, so literally plug the damn thing in, select option 4 for CAN bus and lithium, plug it in, all good. Lithium, CAN bus. That doesn't mean not connected, that means CAN bus. Well, I don't know about you, but it takes all the worry of thinking you're going to burn your house down or burn your garage down if your garage is under your house. I'd rather use the right connector, so I have done. Thanks to Barnstormer. Give them a call. Numbers in the description. Thanks for looking. That's the one to use.